Hello, I'm William Shatner. Thank you for joining us today. The opportunity to make this world a better place has never been better. Join us today in discovering those that are making a difference in our world.
In today's world, many individuals and families find themselves unprepared for the cost of long-term care. Some people are diagnosed with very serious conditions, while others may want to try a cutting-edge treatment that their insurance won't cover, but they don't have the money to explore these options. Moreover, many seniors have found themselves with changing estate needs after the death of a spouse, divorce, or upon retirement from business. Rising premiums can cause life insurance policies to become unaffordable. And before now, many thought their only option was to surrender the policy or allow their policy to lapse. Founded in 2002 by Blaine Cook, Montage Financial Group began offering an alternative financial strategy for those considering life settlements. A life settlement is the transfer of ownership and beneficial rights of a life insurance policy in exchange for a cash payment. Cash received is based on a percentage of the policy's face value or death benefit. Montage Financial Group facilitates the sale between the policy owner and the investment community.
I formed Montage Financial Group in 2002. What I wanted to bring to the life settlement industry was structure, a way to trade in a platform that made sense. I also wanted to bring a level of security to the insureds, knowing that their medical information would not be out on the web someplace or have their social securities taken, numbers taken, or anything else of value that's in their medical files. And so we were able to give investors good value for their money and also give the selling client a good cash payment at the end of the settlement process.
As we explore the many facets of a life settlement and how Montage Financial Group completes a transaction, it's clear that most potential clients have a limited knowledge of this marketplace. Many insureds aren't even aware that their life insurance policy is a marketable asset that can be sold. Since life settlements aren't affected by market fluctuations, they can be a good wealth management strategy. Some of the top investment firms have aggregated portfolios of life settlements.
Well, it's interesting that even the insurers have gotten into this space. AIG, for example, in a $2 billion portfolio that they've accumulated, has a large portion of that in the life settlement space. Apollo, Blackstone, Berkshire Hathaway, they're all in this space too. Investors move to where money can be made. We like to have win-win situations with people. Our investors like working with us. The people that are selling their policies like working with us because we protect their privacy so carefully. We're very efficient. We're very competent at what we do. So when you come to us, you know you're going to get a good product at a good price.
You may be asking yourself, what is the next step if I want to consider a life settlement? First, your eligibility needs to be determined. Montage Financial Group works with many of the top underwriters firms. These certified underwriters will determine the life expectancy of an individual based on their age, gender, lifestyle, family history, and medical conditions. After a policy is evaluated and if the policy meets an investor's criteria, the policy owner and their representative will be notified and a cash offer would be negotiated.
As a licensed life insurance agent, I've helped numerous clients life settle their insurance policies. As a representative who deals directly with both insureds and policy owners, I rely on companies like Montage Financial Group to help me obtain market offers that I can feel confident presenting to my clients. Their staff has years of experience. They care about people, and they want to make sure everybody walks away from the transaction happy. They are a values-driven company. Montage Financial Group has always been there to help me and my client through the entire selling process. I will definitely use them for my future transactions.
Montage has processed more than $15 billion in life insurance, and each person on the acquisition team has more than a dozen years of experience negotiating and aggregating life settlements. Montage's longevity has created quality relationships, offering efficiency and professionalism for all parties involved.
In a recent transaction that Montage closed, the insured was deciding on whether they were going to sell their home or sell their life insurance policy. They needed to pay $200,000 of medical bills that they had acquired due to a costly pancreatic cancer battle that they were going through. The cash surrender value of the policy was zero. Montage was able to monetize an immediate $200,000 cash, so the insured could pay for all of their medical bills and keep their home. Montage was also able to negotiate an $850,000 retained death benefit. Some policies you're able to negotiate a retained death benefit, which means the family or the insured or a designation of the insured is able to keep a certain amount of the death benefit so they could leave a legacy for their family or to help with end costs.
The thing that's so fulfilling to me in this business is that we can take a situation where somebody might not get anything for a policy that they've been paying on for 10, 15, 20, sometimes even 30 years. And we can take a situation and monetize an asset they didn't even know had value. And that's so fulfilling to me. That's what makes me so happy that we're able to give people millions and millions of dollars for an asset that they may not even know had value.
In 1789, Benjamin Franklin was quoted, writing, "But in this world, nothing can be said to be certain except death and taxes." Montage Financial Group understands that. Call them toll-free at 877-609-7700 to learn more about life settlements and visit them online at www.montagegroup.com.